Welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker's American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a relatively classic recipe for Blancmange. That is kind of a milk-based pudding, like gelatin, that is in a form. So let's get started.
Only a few important ingredients. We need 3 heaping tablespoons gelatin, 3 to 4 tablespoons water, 2 tablespoons or 20 grams of cornstarch, 2 1/3 cups or 600 milliliters of milk. After juicing 2 lemons, cut the peels in large pieces. 3/4 cup or 150 grams of sugar. First, we want to bloom the gelatin by mixing it with the water and set aside. Then pour a bit of the lemon into the cornstarch to dissolve it. In a medium saucepan, add milk, sugar, and cornstarch mixture. Add lemon peels. Heat over medium heat and simmer for about 10 minutes, stirring frequently. A bit of background on Blancmange. The name comes from Old French and means white food. It comes from nearly every country in Europe relatively spontaneously, but was originally hearty and only became a dessert after sugar became widely available. Remove from heat and fish out the lemon peels. Add bloomed gelatin to the warm milk mixture. Pour into lightly oiled bowls or gelatin forms. Chill in the fridge overnight. Turn onto a plate. If the gelatin doesn't come out of the forms easily, you can often use a rubber spatula or a spoon to fish it out of the form. This is a mild dessert, and most of the flavor comes from the lemon peels. It has a smooth texture and is really quite beautiful. For more recipes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.weebly.com. We're also on Facebook and Instagram. Subscribe for more recipes.